Hey guys, I'm DezzerTv and today we're gonna be playing some Manhunt 2. Okay, so I'm kinda sick right now, so
what do you
we'll
mean
continue.
you volunteered for an
I've seen this before, so just
There's a guy here asking for Judy.
pray for Judy.
Glasses.
You're gonna die. Why did you tell about me? What did I ever do to you? Okay. Better put it there. Better push it, put it. Okay. Let's search here if there's anything. Okay, I was just here. That guy's really making noise. It's really annoying as fuck. Okay. We'll check here. Okay. Just busted his head. So try going into this room. Okay, let's hope. Let's hope nobody's in here. Pizza on the counter, a penny on the ground. This nigga was drunk. I'll just go and try the other places. Okay, what did I find? Oh, a bottle. Room to something. Okay. That was weird, but I want this one. Damn! Come on, I'm gonna put you somewhere safe, man. Blood is dripping everywhere. It's a blood bowl. Nope. Cannot put him there. They'll find him. Okay, whatever. Whatever. There's no. Oh, there's a bottle there. Okay, I've been here. Okay, that's disturbing. Okay, that's really disturbing. Yo. Okay. Better pick up the clothes. So while he goes, and whatever, I have to hit this glass. Nobody heard me. Okay. I can't even go through this door. Okay.
What the hell was that?
You'll never find me here. Oh, what an asshole.
The ugliest chicks I've ever seen.
He just unlocked the door for me. Oh, what an asshole. Okay. Okay. Shit, this guy is in the bathroom. Shit, they're suspicious. They're suspicious. I need to take his gun. Okay, his door is open. Closed. Oh shit. Oh, you keep coming into the bathroom. Shit, don't see me. Don't even see me. I was fucking a girl. Okay, there's no 3 guys. I don't know what's wrong with them, but then they're not 3 guys. I'm talking weird today. I don't know. I think it's my sickness, my flu. Changes your voice, and that's not good. Okay. Okay. Come on. Oh shit, no. No, don't come here. Oh, come on. You can't see me. Prick, I'm right in front of you. These people are pricks.
What do you want from me? He's cornered.
Fuck!
Psycho coming your way.
Okay, guys. See you guys later. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and like.